This is a video about showing students how to insert images into a Blackboard response. So for example, this is a Blackboard homework assignment, and I want to insert an image into this file right here, this part, and see that it's on student preview mode. Okay, so let me go back. Here are the actual steps. Step 1 is you're going to copy the above HTML code right here. So this is the code, and this code itself says I want to insert an iframe with a width of 455 pixels, height of 320, and it says src equals, and then within quotes, insert the link here. The part that you're going to be replacing is insert the link here. But for now, I'm going to copy the entire code. Okay. Control C to copy. And then I'm going to locate the image in Google Drive. I'm going to change the permissions of the image in Google Drive. And then I'm going to copy the URL link for the image. And then I'm going to change the URL link to a preview mode. And then finally, I'm going to go back and insert the iframe into Blackboard. So let's start by just copying this iframe, and I'm going to paste it into Blackboard. The way you would do that is to bring up the HTML editor. You click this right here. So here's my HTML editor. I'm going to insert my iframe. If I do this and I don't put anything here, and I click Save, it will return an error. It says there was nothing found because there is nothing referenced to the insert here part. So let me just go back into the editor. Okay. And we're going to come back. Eventually, we're going to place the link in here. Now, according to this, the next thing I'm going to do is locate my image in Google Drive. So here in Google Drive, this is the image I want. And I want the image I want to use. This is the one I'm going to embed. Okay. So the first thing you're going to have to do is share that file. Right now, I've already changed the permissions, but let me show you what it normally looks like. Normally, the standard is just restricted. So this is what it looks like. If I click on this, it'll say restricted. All I do is click on change to anyone with the link. Now you could change what you want with the people who have the link to be able to do. Can they comment? Can they edit? I'm just going to make sure that I leave it as viewer. I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to click done. So now the link that I've copied, just want to show you, is here. This is, you see it says USP sharing. Okay, so if I click on that link, I'm going to go to a blank web page, and I'm going to paste that link. And I'm going to be able to see the image itself. Okay, but just because you can see the image doesn't mean it's published anywhere. And iframe codes are great for embedding web pages, other things that are public. So if I use that link, going back to Blackboard, if I insert that link, again, it's that sharing link, right? It says sharing, and I click save, you're still going to run into an error. It'll say forbidden error 403. Because just because you're sharing it like that anyone with the link can view it, doesn't mean it's actually a public image. So the way to change that is to go here, go to the image, go to the URL of the image, and instead of where it says view, just make sure you type in preview. And then if you type in preview, it changes the way it looks. It looks like this. Now I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go back to Blackboard. And instead of this file in there, instead of the sharing part, I'm going to type the part that says preview. Okay. And I click save. And now you can actually see the view. Now you can actually see the file. And that's all there is to it. So again, the steps are copy the above HTML iframe code, locate your image in Google Drive, change the permissions of the image to anyone with link may view, copy the shared URL link for the image, adjust the image link to preview mode, and then replace insert the link here with that link, the URL that says preview. That's it.